Eldorado.gg is a marketplace where users can buy and sell gaming accounts, boosting services, in-game currency, and items. This tutorial explains the withdrawal process for sellers who have funds in their Eldorado wallet. What the platform does. Eldorado.gg provides a wallet system where sellers receive payments from buyers. Funds accumulate in the wallet and can be withdrawn to external payment methods. Withdrawal options become visible only when two conditions are met. The account has available funds and the user has a seller account set up. Steps to withdraw funds. Navigate to the wallet. Open a web browser and go to the official Eldorado.gg website. At the top right corner of the page, click on the profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Wallet. This displays the Wallet section of the account. Locate the Withdraw button. The current balance appears at the top of the wallet page. Next to the balance, a button labeled Withdraw is present. If the account has no balance or does not have an active seller account, the withdrawal options may not appear. Select a withdrawal method. Clicking Withdraw prompts the user to choose a withdrawal method. Available options typically include CPay Bank Transfer, Swift Bank Transfer, Payoneer, Bitcoin BTC, USD Coin USDC, and Skrill. Note that Swift Bank Transfer may be temporarily unavailable at times. Complete the withdrawal after selecting a method. Enter the required information such as bank details or cryptocurrency address. Confirm the withdrawal request. Eldorado will process the request and transfer the funds according to the selected method. Limitation or use case. Eldorado typically only shows withdraw options when the account has funds and a seller account set up. Buyers who have never sold anything will not see withdrawal options because they have no seller status. This feature is designed for active sellers who have received payments for completed orders. Withdrawing money from Eldorado.gg involves accessing the wallet, clicking Withdraw, choosing a transfer method, and confirming the request. Withdrawal options are visible only to users with both a positive balance and an active seller account.